The 2017 Cadillac XT5. I'm going to show you how to get to the cabin filter. You're going to go ahead, open up your glove box. You need to remove the damper cord. All you got to do is pull it your way and it will disconnect right there. So you can let it go. You'll get it back later. Now you're going to push the glove box away right here. You're going to push it away from itself. Same thing on this side. Pull it away. You might have to go back and forth, and it'll lower the glove box down. You can get to this part of the air box right here. Okay, so in here, all you need to do is just push this tab. Okay, push it in, and you can remove the front door. Okay, there's a little tab right here too. Push that guy. Comes right off, and there's the filter. You can already see there's leaves all over it. I don't really have a new filter right now. I'm gonna probably order one. If you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box. So I'll probably just shake this one out. I don't know if I'm gonna order it or not. Let's see how bad it is. Actually, it's pretty clean. So I'll order one later, but I'll shake this one out. Throw it back in there. All right. And get your little door here, and it just clips in on the left side right there, and just push it back on. There's the damper here. Kind of need two hands here. Go ahead and pull the damper cord down and then lift the glove box up. So we can do this with one hand. That's gonna be kind of hard with one hand. Hold on one second. Alright, just need to pull the glove box up. Once you get past the little stops, it'll hold itself up, and all you gotta do is just pop this guy back on there. And that's how you replace the cabin filter in a 2017 Cadillac XT5.